grateful to be accepting this EPC Innovation Award from Rockwell as part of their Partner Network 2025 conference. This award is very meaningful for us as a partner with Rockwell and to be recognized for the exceptional work that we have done together with our client. We deliver exceptional mechanical, electrical, process, structural, commissioning, procurement, construction management services on a global basis.
Our client, National Car Wash Solutions, is a leading manufacturer of car wash chemicals. They face significant challenge in trying to figure out how to optimize and automate their fill lines. For this project, we built the system's backbone using Rockwell Automation technology. It's a fully collaborative effort. We worked together seamlessly throughout, but the thing I'm most proud of is the increased output. We tripled their output. That's a 220% increase. So by designing that system to fit within their existing footprint, we were able to support NCS's goal of achieving zero downtime during the transition. I honestly couldn't picture doing this with any other technology outside of Rockwell.
We're helping make return on investments for our clients and making a difference in our communities and our team members' lives. And this to me is what the core of Salas O'Brien is all about.